Yeah, I'm going to eat this. This is the dried fish. Coming from the gatherings in the house of Rick and Christina. I also have some steamed egg. Have more in there. I can see the fried teeth of this fish. Crunchy, salty, not very salty actually. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are here at the moment in Sydney. Yeah, to be specific, here in Robinson's Beach. Yeah, Robinson's Beach. It's beautiful here. It's near to the airport. I mean, this is like a viewing area, beach area, viewing area of the landing and departing of the airplane. I actually did not sleep here. I arrived here at around 5:30. Yeah, so basically I left Nelson Bay last night around 10:30 after work. Yeah, so I drive and I reached Sydney around 2 o'clock already, and I sleep somewhere in Paddington in the street, but there is a limit on that street, and so I decided to look for this place, and now I'm here, and you see the sunrise, beautiful. And I actually have some footages of earlier, yeah, without the sun yet. Yeah, it's still dark, and I see the lights and some airplane. Yeah, keeps on going down, keeps on landing. Yeah, continuously, maybe 10 airplane I've seen. Very nice. This car park is actually open from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. The time now is already 7:40, and I am allowed to stay here only until 8:30 something, because there is a 3 hours limit to park here. I can't really see other side of the water because the sun is blinding. Yeah, lots of people here, lots of them, they are walking along the beach. Yeah, this is a beach, and in here there are lots of people, they are working out. There is kind of outdoor gym, very nice. And I don't know where it is going to end, but yeah, we're not going there. We're going to, when I was driving early this morning, yeah, I don't see actually the beach area, but yeah, this is a very long beach. When I was driving, because I was coming from that side, and I was trying to figure out where to get in. Yeah, I can't really figure out because it's still dark. I don't see the entry. Yeah, and there is a car at the back behind me, and so I cannot slow down, and so I can't really see where's the entrance. And then the car at the back overtake, and that I had the chance to slow down, and I saw this entrance. This area is actually along the main road. The name of the place, the name of the road is the Grand Parade, and it is a residential area, as you can see. Some big houses in here, beautiful houses, nice. And we go, but yeah, I still need to pack it down. I am watching this family. They are back again in the Philippines. Very nice. I end up in this place. I did not have a chance to, I did not able to find a way to get to that area, to the other car park of the beach. Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, this area is Port Botany, but I'm not sure. Now I'm going to Google the place to be able to get back to the beach area, car park. And we made it to the other side of the where I've been. Yeah, and you can see this actually like this with all those oh, there is a kind of reporting happening. Very nice. I don't know which TV channel, but yeah, nice. And we're going to see the big airplane. This area is a launching boat ramp. Yeah, as you can see, all these cars has a trailer for their boat. I'm not sure if I am allowed to be here, but yeah, I'm already here. These are big four-wheel drive, all these vehicles. Oh, there is another reporter on that side. Reporter here, reporter there. Actually, a while ago along the way, I saw also another one. You know, television company, they are still using a big camera. Looking at it, they have the same quality as the GoPro. Big, small. And look at that. Yeah, big cargo ferry, cargo ship called Texas, Hong Kong. Oh, there are some people here fishing. Yeah, you see. And I don't know if you can see, but there is landing airplane and one that is yeah, just moving, and there is this Emirates airplane. See, there's one airplane that is going to land. Very nice. And there is another one on that side. Actually, they are waiting, they are in line to get down here. And this one is how to read it? I can read it. A Latam Air. Yeah, look at this. Is a container trade, and it says here, let's read it. What is inside that container? Every day of the year, containers filled with essential consumer goods leave Port Botany headed for homes and businesses throughout New South Wales. We rely on many imported items in our daily lives, be they foodstuffs, clothing, tools, books, mobile phones, computers, televisions, and even barbecues. A working container terminal means you can enjoy a wide choice of products delivered in good time at reduced cost. At Port Botany, containers are also loaded onto ships full of Australian items on their way to overseas markets: wines, farm produce, manufactured goods, wool, and cotton. Container shipping not only allows us to connect to the rest of the world, but is vital in keeping New South Wales economy functioning. Nice. I actually don't recognize the airplane. Yeah, once it's get there, I'm going to know what is that. That one is actually Emirates airline. Yeah, that is based in Dubai. Yeah. We'll see what is that airline. I'm not familiar. I'm very familiar with the Emirates airline because I was always, I mean, I've been to Dubai airport so many times. Even if I'm not flying, I sometimes go to the airport just to eat in Chowking. Yeah, a Filipino restaurant in Dubai. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, what's that? American Airlines, that one. Just landed. I think that's it. We're going to look for a new place to explore. Actually, I'm going back to the car and have my first meal, my breakfast. To be honest, I don't really recognize the reporter. Because you know, in the Philippines, reporter, they are like, yeah, that's Virgin Airlines. Very loud. Because you know, in the Philippines, yeah, a reporter like that is almost like a celebrity. Oh, nice. This is a cleaning area for the fish, for the catch. Nice. I should be here early this morning. Yes, so I can have a nice video, nice footages of those airplanes landing and departing, flying. Yeah, the same. Actually have this banana turon. This is like a spring roll, but inside it's banana, and it's delicious. This is going to be my breakfast. Also going to be my first meal. Should be hot, but I don't have microwavable bowl or plate. It's why I'm going to eat it cold. Oh, the water is just right. Nice. Yo, it is actually a little hot and very noisy actually in here, but I was able to sleep. From time to time I can hear the airplane and also the movements of the vehicles on the other side, but it's bearable. The window is open a little bit. Now it's time to eat rice and egg.